Hello friends, today we'll see how to draw the orthographic views from this pictorial view. The question is what? The figure shows pictorial view of an object using first angle method of projection. Draw elevation in the direction of arrow, plan and end view from the right hand side. Means basically we have to draw front view, plan means top view and end view means side view, right hand side view. Then if we see this object, so this is the frontal direction, and if it is a frontal direction, then the length of this object is 60. It is required. Width, now from the picture you can see directly the width is 40, and height is also 40. And we have to draw the right hand side view. So this is useful for preparing the 3 blocks. After that, what we have to do? So once we draw this, then first line you have to mark by leaving a gap from the upper side. So that gap should be more than 40, means so that your front view should not go beyond this line. So it is first, then just gap 15 to 20 mm and immediately mark the second line as a dark line. So it is going to be a reference line. Then third line, again 15 to 20. Randomly, you can take that gap and draw this line. So these are the 3 lines. And once we mark these 3 lines, if right hand side view is there, start with Y. Means from right hand side only we have to start. This is Y. And once we mark this by leaving some gap, draw the vertical line. So this is the vertical line. Then after that, what you have to do? The length of the object 60 mm. So that 60 mm from this. So it is something like this, 20, 40 and 60. So it is 60 mm. Mark this line in this way. And once we mark this second dark line, second vertical line, then what you have to do? This third line below it you can remove. So see this carefully. This is after lot of observation. I am following this. It creates the problem if you keep it. Then you can mark the width. Width is also 40. Then 40 mm. How you can mark? From this 40 mm and mark this rectangle. So this will be the block for the top view. And once we mark this block, then take the compass. This point is very important, which intersect the XY line at the so that second generator or second vertical line where it intersects the XY line, that is very important. So from that we can rotate it like this, 90-degree rotation. Then again extend this radius. So the width will be added and mark this 90-degree again. Correct. So the work of compass is over. at this place. Then after 90-degree rotation, draw this vertical line, draw this also vertical line, and height you can mark, height of the object from this uppermost line, so it is 40, and then from that 40 we can mark this horizontal line like this. So these are going to be the 3 blocks, and once you mark these 3 blocks again, so whatever after this last generator or projector, not generator, projector, so keep the similar length on this side also, and it is x. So this is the reference xy line. So this block is for front view, this is for top view, and this is for right hand side view. Right hand side view by first angle method of projection, it will be on left hand. And I'll always suggest, so whenever you are drawing the orthographic views, first draw all these 3 blocks, so they will help you a lot. Then now in a very simple way, if you see in the front view what you can see, in the front view what you can see, so as per this object is concerned, so I'll find in the front view, so whatever this area is there, so this is a single plane, it is there in the front view. At the same time, this portion you will find in the front view, and all apart from this, if you see it neatly, so this is non-isometric surface that also we can see in the front view. So this non-isometric, and then so whatever this surface is there, so this is also non-isometric surface. So this all this portion we can see in the front view along with those. So this is the part which we can see from the front view. Then how to draw it, so that is very important. Then so I'll suggest, as per this object is concerned, first you draw the front view itself, and when we draw the front view, how it should be. So if you see, first we'll mark this single surface, and how it is, so first this is 20, then 10, and then again 20, because height is, so it is from this it is 20. Once you mark this 20, then so if you see it is completely 60, it is 60 without any obstacle, and then after this, from this it is 10, it is 10, and then again it is 20. Then it is only 7. It is only 7. It is 5, 6, 7. 7 mm only. Then after that, what you have to do, if you see it neatly, it is 30, and this edge is vertical. Then after 30 mm, so what I'll suggest, after this 30 mm, mark a light vertical line, and that line later on it will be useful in the top view also. So you can mark this light vertical line. It will be useful. And once we mark this light vertical line, so from 8 mm above it, 8 mm. Mark it, and from 8 mm you have to mark on right hand side 21. So you have to mark 21. Then that remaining portion is going to be 9. And from this 21, again it is above it, it is 20. It is 20. Once we mark this 20 and this, then afterwards you have to join these two lines like this. One will be in this way, and second like this. So it is what? This major single surface. It is a major single surface that we have drawn. Then afterwards, so whatever this backside portion is there, it is simply what we have to do? Draw this vertical line. It's vertical line, and it is horizontal line. It is the horizontal line. Correct. Then if you see both these slant surfaces, they are till the end. Then from this simply you mark this horizontal line till the end. Again for this also mark this till the end. Till the end, and this will be topmost line. It will be till the end. Finish. Finish. And right hand side completely mark this vertical. And now you will find this upper portion is related with this. The next portion is related with this, which is having 21 mm height, and this 8 mm height. This triangle from this side will find like this. So it is what? The front view of this object, and everything is visible. Everything is visible. Then for drawing the top view, what we can do? So what I'll suggest for drawing the top view? So whatever the vertical lines are there, shift those lines in the top view. So this edge, it will be useful. Then here there is a corner, then that also you can transfer. Anything from front view to top view, that transfer is not difficult. So wherever the corner is there, from that also you can transfer in the top view. Then after that, in the top view, what you can observe? In the top view, you can observe this portion. So whatever this part, yellow color, this we can see in the top view. At the same time, so this is also a slant surface. This is also visible in the top view. This is also visible in the top view. Then it is vertical, there is no visibility, but this portion is also visible in the top view, and this part, this is also visible in the top view. So these four parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus this portion, it is also visible in the top view. Then how to draw this? First, in the top view, the topmost portion, how it is? So it is completely 60 mm line from the back side. It is 60 mm. Then immediately you can mark this vertical 20 mm. 20 mm. Then afterwards, whatever this edge is there, so it is that edge is up to this, its projection is there, correct. Then this is the part. So now those lines are helping us. Vertical, then this horizontal 7 mm, it's horizontal. Then afterwards, so all this portion, it is directly connected to this corner, so this topmost portion. Then immediately below it, so whatever this part is there, so that you can mark. So this portion, how you will be in a position to mark it. Then for that, first before that, so the portion which is easier one, you can mark it. It's 20, it's 10, it is 10. Then once this portion is over, so wherever this 30 is matching, so that line we have to extend so this line is very important. So whatever this portion is there, so it will be parallel to this, so this line and this line is parallel, but from where it is, from this line and up to the end, so these two lines are parallel. So from this, what I'll do, I'll mark this line. So this portion is there. Then afterwards, whatever this portion is there, it is vertical. And in the top view, from this side, how much we have to mark? So this overall line is complete. So first you mark this line. First you mark this line, and on this line, in the top view, see it. So this is 28, means it is 12, and after 12, 20, means 32. So how much gap is remaining? Only 8. Means from this portion, the gap of 8, from the gap of 8, so wherever this 8 is there, then you mark this line. This portion, and make it final line dark. And if you see the top view, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 1, 2, then this 3, it is 4, so this portion, and this triangle, so this portion, it is visible in the top view. Means this top view is 100% right. Then afterwards, what you have to do for drawing the side view? It's not difficult. For side view, first thing, so I'll suggest take the projections. How you can take the projections? Especially from the front view, whatever the horizontal lines are there, this line like this, then again it is like this, and this height. It is like this. So it is going to be useful. Then, so from the top view, the major dimensions, at least this one line, how you can take it, keep the compass at this place only. Keep the compass at this place, and from this point, take this. And once we mark this line, then take its projections. And I feel, even though if you take these many projections from the front view and top view, the few things you can directly measure and you can mark, it is always better. Then if you see the side view, in the side view, what you can see in the side view, so this is the single surface. This is the single surface. How we can mark that single surface? That surface we can mark like this. So this is the portion of that side view, and it is throughout. In the side view, this line is of 40. It is 40. Then again, this line is also, it is 40. Is it right? Then afterwards, in the side view, what you can see, so I have not taken its projection, it's 8 mm. 8 mm I can mark from this. This, it is the 8 mm. And up to 8 mm, the width of this portion, it is 28, means remaining portion is 12 only. 12 only. So that 12 you can mark. It is 10 and it is 12. So that 12 you can mark like this. And this, it is 20, 32, and that triangular part. So over here, it is something like this, and in this case, it is like this. So it is that single surface. And then, so whatever. So in the side view, we can see this portion. So this portion. This is the single part. In the side view, we can see this portion also. Then, if you see, so this is not visible, but this portion is visible. So it is slant one in the side view. This is also visible. This is third. Means this portion is going to be visible, and then how we can mark it? Let's see it. So whatever that second part is there, upper portion, it will be like this in the side view. From this, it is throughout 40. It is throughout 40, and then so whatever that upper portion 20 plus this 8 is there, 28, means that height is 12. So that 12 we have marked right at the top. Then this 20 up to this, and that lower 8 mm triangular portion. So it is like this. If I mark in this way, finish. Whatever these portions, red 1, 2, 3, 4, we have marked 1, 2, 3, 4. Then at the back side, so this slot is there. Its depth is 20. Its depth is 20, and this width is also 20 only. Its depth is 20, width is 20, and its projections we are having, and it is hidden one. Then hidden one, how we can mark? We have to make use of the dotted lines. Vertical also. Very neatly you have to draw the dotted line. Like this. It requires a lot of concentration. So these are the dotted lines. So it is the dotted portion. So these are the three views. So these are the three views of this object. Now what is remaining? So the remaining portion of this is the dimensioning. Then how we can dimension it? So looking to the object, we should not miss anything. So that is very important. And for the dimensions, use very light line. So first, in the side view, it is 40. It is 40. Then again, see whatever this distance is there. So it's 28. Larger dimension on always on lower side. If two dimensions are at one place or outside, it is 28. It is 28. Then here also it is 60. This overall is 60. Then this dimension up to this, it is 30, and it is 21. Means that remaining is automatically 9. So it is 30. It is 30. It's 21. This overall, it's 60. Then that remaining is 9 only. Then this height we can mark. At the same time, it is 40. It is 40. It is 20. And this portion, when small dimension is there, we can give like this also. It is 8. It is 8. Then never give the dimensions for the dotted line. So here also it's how you can give. It's very small. It is 10 and it is 7. it is 7. This depth, we have to give all the dimensions. It is also 20. It is 20. 10 is over 20, 40, and observe carefully how I am giving the dimensions. It's very important part of orthographic views. It is 20. So this 9, it is 8. Again, if we mark, this is 28, it is 12. So this dimension or this dimension we have not given. So how we can give it? Like this. 28, 12, already we have marked. So it is 40, it is 28, and whatever this portion is there, it is 12, then 20, 12, after that 12, it is 20, hence it is 8. It is 8. It is 8. It is 20. And I think all the dimensions are over. Each and everything, it should be dimensioned. So that is what the requirement of proper dimensioning. Again, with the help of pencil, you can dimension nicely. So these are the 3 views, and no need to write this is front view, top view, side view. It is assumed that in first angle method of projection, above xy line it is front view, below top view, and towards left of the front view it is right hand side view. So these are the 3 views, and if you follow the procedure whatever I explained, you will not find the problem difficult. Thank you.